Hello, welcome back to my channel.
How to create the pattern. The whole length is going to be about 22 inches, so you go ahead. I'm just using this small paper so you can see what I'm doing. So let's say this is 22 inches. You go ahead and mark that down, and that's going to be including our seam allowance. So from here to here, we're going to go ahead and mark about 7 inches. Let's say this is our 7 inches. Then we're going to mark from the top. We're going to mark about 12 inches. Let's say this is our 12 inches over here. Then we mark from here where we mark the 12, we mark 7. Then draw a box just like this. So like across here, we're going to mark, it's going to be about 17 and a half. Let's say this is our 17 and a half. You mark 17 and a half and draw a box. So now time for shaping. You're going to go ahead and shape it out. You can do it free-handedly. Then between here too, you can do like freehand, or you can measure if you want. If you want, you can come about like, let me say, 7 inches down, 4 inches in from here, and shape that out as well. That's it. From here to here about 4 inches. From here to down here about 7 inches. This to here 17 and a half. This from here to here around what was it, 7 and a half? Was this 7 and a half? Well, we don't even have to measure over here because we already measured from here to here, which is 12 and a half. Let me write everything down so you can see. From here to here, it is 12 and a half. Then from here to here, it is 7 inches. Then all over here like this, 17 and a half inches. That's it. Then we shape it out. After shape here, when you want shape here, you can, if you want to measure, you can come down here by 7 inches from here to where it connects up here is 7 inches, and from here to where it connects up here across here like this, 4 inches. Then you shape it up so good and cut it out. That's it. Make sure you place it on fold while cutting it. So I cut out 4 pieces, 2 pieces for the Boppy pillow and the other 2 are for the cover. You can cut many pieces for the cover as you want, different fabric. Sewing the 2 pieces together, and I'll leave a little opening to insert my filling. After filling it in, I have to close this opening over here. And here I finished closing it up. So as you can see, those white stitches, I inserted my zipper using a best stitch. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew the cover together, this other side. Then I'll go ahead and sew the zipper. So go ahead and sew around. So here I'm about to sew on the zipper. This is how it looks. It's all done. You can create as more as you want, because you can just take, since it has a zipper, you just take it off, throw it in a washing machine, put another one onto your Boppy pillow, and you don't have to worry about washing your whole. No, never let a baby sleep on this pillow. It's just for feeding and tummy time.